riding through this world all alone.
I think everyone has an opinion and a desire and a wish for how they want it to end. My sense is when we get to that last episode that it feels like another episode of our show where ultimately there's not any more story to be told in that mythology.
Good.
There will be enough information about our hero that people will feel satisfied.
Hey guys, here we go. And action! I think as Sons of Anarchy wraps up its tour of duty, I think people should remember it as the show that before there was The Walking Dead and after there was The Shield, there was a show that really took a pulpy comic strip view of the world and somehow rooted it in enough reality that you could care. Good cut! Couldn't be any better than that. Cut. I think one of the things that people will say when they look back on Sons is that was an amazing comic strip.
My hope is that people feel like it was worth sitting in front of their TVs every Tuesday night for 3 months out of the year for 7 years.
Action!
That it was worth the ride and that people feel fulfilled and that they were glad they showed up week after week.